What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. The world of AI is digging deep roots in many job positions that are mundane or repetitive tasks such as receptionist, customer service, scheduling. AI is also taking on more and more entry-level positions such as data entry and basic coding. When it comes to the warehouse world of shipping and receiving, small and large companies are just thinking of replacing the employee to AI but not upskilling and reskilling their employees into AI warehouse employees. Some companies are thinking of implementing AI into their warehouses, lay off their employees, then hire AI managers to do the work. This in turn will cost companies even more money. So what should be done? As I have mentioned, start upskilling and reskilling your employees through an AI trainer on the equipment you're going to use with the warehouse, such as wearables, AI-powered software and systems, collaborative robots, or natural language processing. The AI trainer achieves this by working with datasets, reviewing AI outputs, and providing feedback to ensure that the AI-powered software and systems are aligned with human expectations and ethical guidelines. An AI warehouse leverages artificial intelligence and other related technologies to automate, optimize, and enhance various operations. The transitioning of your employees into an AI warehouse is an ongoing process that won't happen overnight. Your business must identify emerging technologies and processes that will shape its warehouse operations in the coming years. Understanding that hands-on training is more effective than lectures or online modules when it comes to building AI warehouse skills. An AI trainer knows that your employees need practice with real tools and situations they may face daily when it comes to the new AI automation. By offering job-relevant training where they can practice actual skills, you're improving retention of information and motivation to learn. If possible, implement mentor-apprentice arrangements that allow experienced staff to guide others that are not quite catching on through complex tasks during regular shifts. Break down comprehensive skills into manageable components that can be mastered progressively. Create a safe space for your employees to transition. Provide abundant practice opportunities with new systems before making them critical to daily operations. Design a workflow where digital tools and traditional methods operate side by side during transition periods. Digital adoption happens most effectively when introduced as helpful assistance rather than an unwelcome disruption. If there is certifications that are needed for some AI skills, keep that option open to your employees. You can also incorporate learning goals into performance reviews and compensation structures. This can help drive motivation to learn and improve. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online certification courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending certification courses you may want to pick up, and comment below done and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well that's floating around right here, and always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams and I'm out.